Hey guys, True here with Stay True TV. This is my first actual build for the channel. Just been and picked up a 2003 Yamaha Kodiak 450 quad bike basket case. Haven't really looked through all the parts yet, but pretty excited to check it all out. So we'll get it all in the shed and see what we've got to play with. Hopefully you guys enjoy the build. There it is. All the parts we've received. It looks like we might be up for some fairings. One part I was looking a bit worrying is this frame here. It's got a few repairs on it. It's been repaired a few times and it does look pretty rusty around these parts, especially like there. It's welded, rotten through. Might just flip it over and just have a bit of a look, because it's missing a foot peg on this side as well. But we did only pay $400 for this quad bike, so all up. Oh yeah, there you go. So you get a bit of, you can either A, price up a new chassis, or B, I might be able to go ahead and make a fun job of this and see how we go repairing the chassis. Maybe cut the loop out, the bottom loop. Doesn't look like the top part of the frame's too bad. A little bit there, but that's looks more so surface rust. So I guess we'll do some pricing up and stuff and see how we go with that. On that we've got so it's a full drive, all the A-arms, CVs, tank, front and rear fairing. They look a bit rough, but they may be able to be repaired and cleaned up a little bit. Then you got the front grille here. You got the dash. The dash is a bit. Let me have a look. Show you this is what the dash look like. It's just a bit average on the looks, but I don't know. There might be a way of cleaning the screen up and making it look a bit nicer for when you're finished. Obviously the foot peg over the foot panel over this side. It's all broken and damaged. We've got the broken one there. Should be able to chase up one of them, I'd imagine. We've got all the handlebars and bits and pieces, exhaust. I did notice on the motor there was some shavings there, so it looks like something's been drilled when he's been removing the motor. But in saying that, he did say also that he pulled the motor out for the reason of a stator. The stator was playing up. There's still oil in it, so that's a good thing, I guess. Still pulls over. Checked it out before I left with the motor, so she's not seized or nothing silly like that. But we'll probably pull her down and check out all the internals as we go through the build anyway. In this box here we've got a heap of, it's like we've got a carby, some mounts there, the wiring looms, coils, front suspension. That's good. I was wondering where they'd gone. Just some bolts and bits. So it'll be a pretty cool build, I reckon. Guess the first thing we're going to do is get onto this chassis. Alright guys, so I've been looking on the internet I've been calling up shops and stuff, trying to chase down a chassis today. Haven't had too much luck, but I'm thinking it's going to be a fun way of getting into my videos with getting into this chassis and fabricating a new bottom loop for it, just for a bit of fun. See how we go. If I mess it up, then I'll start chasing down a bit harder. Have found we're missing quite a few more fairings than I thought we were, but that's fine. We're just gonna go ahead and try and get as much as we can together, get the chassis all rolling and all painted up, motor back in, all the full drive section stuff, all back in the bike, and then we'll worry about fairings. Not a big drama. If you want to see how this build pans out, don't forget, like, subscribe, and set your notifications for when the video comes out. It will be starting very soon. I'm going to start ordering some parts in, getting everything happening, and we'll be moving into it very, very shortly. Also, if you've got any ideas, thoughts, or you just want to maybe give me some hints on my videoing skills, feel free to comment in the box below. Let us know, I will be reading them. Trying to get as much advice as I can. Look forward to seeing you for the rest of the build.